Hey guys, it's me Sumedha and I'm gonna show you the other part, the coding part of the passcode app. So let's get started. First we'll go to Chrome and then I'll choose my account and then we will search code.org and then sign in. Continue with Google. You can do any of them. And then no need to create from the first, we have done the other part, so that's why. Then go to passcode app. So let's start. So first we will take on event and name it the open, choose open. So then when open will be clicked, set screen pass, and then we'll add one more on event and the ID should be check, and then we go to control and take the if else block. So here if we'll go to UI control, if we get text input, select only text block and we'll choose the ID text input. Actually we have to get the so here oh sorry, I just forgot about it. We will not just remove the get text block and go to math and add the equality operator and then go to UI control and then add the get text block. Okay, so then choose text input 1 and name a password whatever you want it. I want it to be, I don't know what. Let me just set the password. 12, 13. I'll just start 13 because yesterday. Okay, because 13. Oh no, wait. Yeah, 13. 13. Okay, 13. Yeah, and this. Yeah. Now if we write the password this one, then only we'll go to set screen. We'll again at the block set screen to the information screen, so that we can see the information. Else if we don't get the same password, then set screen, not here, in the else, main screen. Okay, and then we will show the text. Okay, we will show element alert. Oh yeah, we forgot to keep the hide element so that we will not see this. Okay, hide element alert. So this part is done. Let's try it. Wait. Okay, we'll try again. How is that possible? Okay, wait. Yeah. Start. You can see that we have at the hide element. That's why there is no try again. Okay, then open. Enter password. 1 3. Check. Yeah, that's why. Okay, now exit. We have not done the exit part. Let's do it. Okay, and if we do a wrong password, then what? 515. 5. Yeah, you see it's working. there we'll get another for the exit for the information skin for our exit button. We'll get another on event block and select exit. I don't know. Okay, and then we'll click on the exit button, set screen to screen, main screen, and hide it. Okay, so that's see the try again in that. So it's done. Let's check it. Then 1 3 1 3 check. Here you see it's nice. Where did it come from? I just deleted them. Okay, we'll leave it. I understood. Okay, we're just checking. 1 3 check. Sorry about me. We'll exit. Okay, open and what the code will give 151567 whatever. Check. Here you can see. Right, open and again you see 1313. Yeah, and then exit. You can see there is the, because of the hide element here, we can't see the alert. So it's now finished. So please like, subscribe, share and comment below if you like it and if it helps you, and if you want to make another apps video, if you want me to make another app video, please tell me in the comment below. So that's it. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay at home. Bye.